Direct replacement. This radiator mount bushing matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This bushing is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for a 2004 Nissan Sentra SE-R. Quick and easy replacement for my melted, yes melted, original radiator bushings. These are for the upper mounts and fit my 2004 Nissan Sentra SE-R with the 2.5L engine.